did not see it.
Let's take a look at question number 34 from the May 2016 release version of the STAAR test, Algebra 1 STAAR test. Okay, so the graph of the quadratic function g is shown on the grid. Okay, so the graph of a quadratic function is called a parabola. Okay, the coordinates of the x-intercepts, the y-intercepts, and the vertex are integers. Okay, which should mean that they're going to intersect right at exact one of our labels for our both our x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so it's not in between any two integer numbers. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we're trying to find the vertex. All right, so well, actually we're trying to find the maximum of g. Okay, so when a parabola opens downwards. Okay, so the standard form of a quadratic function is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so if our a value is less than 0, so if a is less than 0, our parabola is going to open downwards. Okay, so we know our function has an a value less than 0. Okay, so when it opens downwards, when a is less than 0, our vertex represents the maximum value. Okay, so the highest point there is at the vertex. So it looks like our vertex is at this point here. Okay, so that point there is going to be 2, 9. Okay, so the point here is our vertex 2, 9. Okay, so the maximum value is the y coordinate of the vertex. Okay, so this is going to represent a maximum. Okay, and our maximum value is 9. Okay, it's the y value. So this is a griddable item, so you're just going to have to put in 9 for your griddable answer, and 9 is your answer for this one. Okay, so this should be, if you have one like this on the STAAR test, it should be a pretty easy, straightforward problem for you to solve. Okay, just locate your vertex. So if it opened downwards, so if we had a parabola that opens downwards, it would be our vertex would represent a minimum here. Okay, minimum. Just find your y value there, and that would be your minimum value, the y value of your vertex. Okay, and